So friend, this is a network incident center video part 5. So before you watching this my video, so you must watch my previous video, network settings center part 1, network settings center part 2, network settings center part 3, and network settings center and the network settings center part 4. So this is very important for my previous video for your knowledge. Either you cannot understand this in this my video, network settings center video part 5. Okay, so this is one type of technologies, network settings center, one type of options available in your Windows operating system. So how many type of settings available in a network settings center and how using these systems here. So this is a one type of technologies, and this control of your network connection, network sharing settings, and sharing your services, and control your your connections. Some settings through you can change your network and create a network. So I will continue this video. So click on subscribe button, click on like button. You want more new notifications, so click on bell icon. So let's start and continue this video. Hello friend, this is my online Nettech Sky channel. In this module you can see here my this online Nettech Sky channel. This type right and search here, and you can visit here. This is my channel logo, and so you can see this is my very lot of videos available for you and your basic computer knowledge, advanced courses, PayPal, how to use in PayPal, Windows 10 settings, computer hardware courses, network courses, and very important for you operating system and computer hardware related. So you can see network courses, and I'm daily update this video for you and very free of cost, and basically you can very different type of syllabus you can control panel using in Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8. So you can see all of playlist available in my this channel, and you can visit, very helpful for your computer and computer knowledge for related. So you can see here this is a very important and different type of network and computer related courses, internet related courses, computer ethical hacking, Red Hat Linux, Windows 10 basic, Windows 8, how using Windows 7 basic, how to install operating system, everything available in my channel online at this basic channel. This channel very helpful for you, and advanced you can learn about computer. Okay, and visit one by one my, you can see here my videos available. So any question you can comment me, and you maybe like. So this is very good for you, and click on subscribe and click on like button. So let's continue this video. This is a client for Microsoft network showing here some VMware bridge protocol here, some file and printer sharing for Microsoft network here. So PIPA protocol, one type of automatically general IP address, you're between two computer, two more computer, and automatically a PIPA protocol 169 type range give of protocol. So I will discuss how many type range in IP version 4 and how using identify. Click on IP version 4 and click on properties. So you can see this is obtained systems here, and this is one type of internet protocol version 4, and this is important for your computer showing your you set manually and you set often, that means automatically. So automatically set two type protocol, a PIPA protocol, and second is DHCP, dynamic host configure protocol. But DHCP one type of public IP address, and you are using a public system, that mean your network not safe here. Okay, so dynamic IP address one type of obtain your IP address and automatically give you. But yeah, but but you are using a specify and manual systems here, manual type IP address. So first you have purchase you know static IP address. So without static IP address, you cannot start in your computer system here. So how set up static IP address I will discuss in my series computer series here. So you can see just I'm showing only example how can add this IP address 10.0. Any enter 1 5 and this is 10 range, that means class A IP address. I will discuss in network series how many type of range and how many class and in network system here. So IP address is one type of my address, my computer. Subnet marks, what is the subnet marks? I will discuss in network series. And what is the default gateway, how using a default gateway and how work default gateway I will discuss in network series here. But I'm showing only this one type of configure and IP address. And so IP version 4 range only 0 to 225 only, 255 only, sorry. So this is IP is address 255 last IP address. So 255 is we have no more IP address. So this is an creator IP version 6 and this is one type of classless IP address. So I will discuss some later these IP version 4 and IP version 6, what is the difference and what is the advantage. So default gateway is one type of technology and going your data. So that means gateway your systems coming your internet through your data, that means your gateway working here. And this is one type of default gateway is one type of set up your identity of your IP address. And gateway is one type of door, your coming network data, outgoing data request systems here by gateway systems here. So you are connect one to more computer, so same add default gateway, because this is very important here. So I cannot enter same IP address because this 10.0.0.1 10.0.0.1 not same. You give different IP address, but default gateway same name, same enter. I will discuss in a network series, but I'm just showing only. So this is a DNS server. So DNS domain name server. What is the domain name server? I will discuss in network series and server series. So I'm just only prefer you. I'm just only prefer DNS. So this is one tab, you're showing DNS IP address and showing alternate DNS. So sometimes these are not working IP address, so using alternate DNS server IP address here. And sometimes not connect your computer with DNS system and DNS IP address. So this is improve your performance as a connection. So one failure this IP address, so second is automatically observe and uptake IP connection here. So this is completely my setup, but I'm not completely showing you this time because this is very complicated these systems. I will discuss completely deep in network series here, but I'm just showing you this type enter IP address. Okay, so don't worry, I will discuss in network series. So obtain again and again my system start, and this is, and you can see this IP version 4 here. So bridge network file and printer sharing systems here, Microsoft this type technologies and properties, and you can see this system. So you want to changing anything, so this is the IP version 6. So this is IP version 6, and how can we add IP version 6? IP version 6 address, subnet prefix length, what is the prefix length, how many prefix length, what is the prefix, and one type of system of showing in your systems. You can see this is my computer, and digit this tab IP address showing. So IP version 6 look this tab I will show you. Okay, some just only example show you how many IP address version 6 start here. This tab IP version 6 look like this tab here. This is a classless IP address call here, because this IP address not need a class here. Every one side digit for 4 digit here. Okay, so more detail for IP detail, watch network video in my playlist, so I will show you. Okay, so this is your IP address and IP address what is so this is my network video series. I will start. Okay, so this is a subnet prefix, and what is a prefix? So this is my IP address, and IP address range how many in side length. So I can change here. Okay, so default gateway same as it is IP version 4 tab. So set as it is. You cannot set IP version same physical these systems here, but I'm just showing only other system here, and DNS setup here. Okay, so this is my some you're showing warning here. So I'm discuss deeply network series only. Okay, so click OK, and my properties is showing this my IP version 4 here. So sometime very important for me my computer and computer address here. So this is one type of a technology. IP address is showing in your computer configuration and manually. Sometime your DSCP you have server, so obtain your systems and system devices systems here. So click on properties, and your click on obtain IP address here. So this is one type of technology in my computer. All of computer technology available this type of technology, and this is one type of communication, one computer to another computer, one computer to internet, one computer to other servers, so server connect other servers. So this is communication systems, and your devices, other devices. So IP version without IP not connect anything your systems. Link layer topology, discover responder. This is one type of your systems here. So this is one type of protocols and protocol system showing here. So this is important for your computer and computer network system through here. And this is a network. All of communication depend on this IP version 4, IP version 6 only. And both company, Linux company, Windows, Microsoft company. So this is depend all of IP addresses you must setting here. Sometime protocol working automatically provide network and system IP address here. Okay, so this is very important for your computer. So this is showing me here properties inside. So this is a Wi-Fi properties and a Wi-Fi adapter driver antennas. So you can see here this automatically assign this IP address. What is the IP address I will discuss in some video. Okay, so this is my inside. This is showing me and assigned by manually IP address. What is the IP address I will discuss in a network series. But now all of devices just like systems, your Android mobiles, and computer laptops, your desktop, and servers and other connect internet through devices. So enter automatically DNS server, assign IP address. IP address one type of unique numbers and identify how this travel data to another network. And the second is how set up in services in internet using systems, and some protocols and rules. So DHCP server as service, this is a server automatically assigned IP address in public network and private network. So two type category servers available in a public network. Inside DHCP server create a ISP through assign internet service provider. DHCP server provide these internet systems and private IP address. That means you want purchased you must purchase some lease line connection of internet. So a lot of companies just like Google, Yahoo, BSNL, Vodafone, Idea, and other so purchase these systems. So I will discuss in this video. Continue. Okay, some network IP address. So this is I'm already created this on site, this default program and features, default programs and program features I will discuss in these current systems. I have watched video in a control playlist and user accounts and creative manager. What is a creative manager? How using creative manager? And what is a mail? How working mail? And I am already created these personalized settings, display, taskbar. What is the ease of access? What is the date and time? I am already created this video, so you must watch. You want to more increase control panel technologies control panel in your Windows operating system. So this is one type of training of your very increase your knowledge and system through. So a lot of people not know about. So I will continue next video. So thanks for watching my video.